Once again, I am day trading futures in queue, one contract at a time, and I'm currently waiting for a flag pattern or a reversal pattern that meets my criteria. I'm waiting for one of those to set up. If you watched my last couple of day trading videos, I explained what I look for. I might explain it again real quick if I get a nice trade here in a second. I just took one trade on this little momentum breakout of this 15-minute opening range here, and I got a pretty good trade there. I'm up 276 on the day so far, and this is my Apex evaluation account. It's a $50,000 account. So far I'm up 475 on it from the last couple of days. And this top one right here, you can see it's just a sim account, and that's just the sim account from NinjaTrader. So the Apex one, I'm up 475, and just waiting to see if we get any good setups here. We had some bullish news come out with the JOLTS jobs report just a few minutes ago, so that gave us this little push here. I'm just waiting to see if we get the retest of the opening range box here and maybe continue to the upside, form a little flag pattern, or if we don't and we get a reversal set up, I'll take that too. Alright, let's see if this flag works out. It looks like we're going up. I'm going to manage my risk to protect my gains from my last trade. Keep my stop kind of tight on this trade. Stop at break even. Close to break even. Well, alright, stop at about break even. See if we get the 10 points on it. We were almost there. Come on, push, push, push. 6.7 points. Push a little harder. Come on. Stopped out, and it still might go up, but I'm not going to risk much on that trade just because we are at yesterday's high right here. So that's acting as resistance, like you can see on this 4-hour time frame. We're kind of at that 20-day SMA too. So if we weren't coming up on some kind of resistance on that 4-hour, I would have left my stop wider. But it was a riskier flag because of that, so I kept my stop tight. So now we may continue up. If we don't continue up, then I'll catch this reversal trade. If we form a nice red doji, maybe even a green doji, depending on what it looks like right here on this 5-minute time frame. Then I might be able to catch a reversal trade, but just have to wait and see how it plays out. It does look like it's kind of struggling a little bit, so I'm not mad about getting stopped out, because I knew it was riskier going into it just because of this 4-hour chart and the 15 coming up on some resistance. So it's alright. Could still be a flag on the 5. But the way that last 15-minute candle closed, kind of leaning more towards a pullback. Let's go. See if we get that quick drop. Just a quick pullback. Come on. Come on, give me 10 points. Give me 10 points. Come on. A little bit further. Come on, come on. Oh no, come on. Drop down. Give me that 10 points. Come on. Alright, so it could be just kind of going sideways in this little range for a little while. Maybe it'll at least drop and give me my 10 points before it starts just bouncing around in this range more. I don't like the way it's hesitating right here. I still think we're going to drop, but now it's kind of questionable whether it bounces around in this range first before it drops. I really wanted this to go ahead and pull back. This is kind of questionable now. Okay, finally back in the green. Let's see what it does. Okay, that's not good. It should have went on and dropped right there for me to feel good about this trade. So if we stay below the wick of this candle here, then that's good. I'm glad this one didn't break above that. So now I really need this candle to push down, or else I may have to just have to get out of here early. It's struggling to push higher, so that's good, but when it goes range bound, it's just unpredictable, or more unpredictable. Alright, come on, that's looking better, come on. Come on. I think I'll just go ahead and put my stop here. Because I'm not as confident in this trade now. I think we can still get that little bit of a push down. We may have a strong push down, but I'm just trying to get these 10 points. It's looking better. I'm just going to go ahead and protect my, well, there we go. I was going to go to break even, but we hit my target. So now I'm up 465 on the day. That's 2 winning trades. No losing trades today, so that's good. So I may end up calling it a day right there because price action has started just kind of chopping around. See these flat, all these flat doji looking candles on the 5. So look, we're on our second doji looking candle on the 15. The 4 hours at a resistance. So the rest of the day we could literally just be in this range. So I got 2 good winning trades today, 1 good winning trade yesterday. So this Apex account is now up to 50,664. So it's off to a good start. So I think I'll just call it a day there. Hope you found this video useful. At least I got one of my trades recorded today. So I'll keep making these videos and just share how I day trade. Like I've said in my last couple videos, it's just flag patterns and reversal setups. And sometimes if the conditions are just right, I'll trade a momentum continuation trade where we have a few super strong momentum candles in a row and every time frame is showing strong momentum. Then I'll take a continuation. Otherwise, I just wait for flags. Like right here, I saw this bear flag and we didn't have a lot of momentum going down into it, but I thought that could be a reversal because we had a doji here on the 15, we had a couple of dojis on the 5, 4 hours at resistance. So I thought that would be a good setup. It didn't go as well as I wanted it to. We just started going sideways, but I was just patient with it. Luckily, I still got the 10 points out of it. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video, it'll really help my channel out. And comment if you got any questions. And just, in the comment section, let me know if you like this video, if you don't like it, what I can do to make it better. I'm just trying to share what I've learned over these last 5 years to help you guys out. So thanks for watching, and until the next video, peace out.